Break down how bridges are actually made. Before anyone pours concrete or welds steel, engineers and architects spend months, sometimes years, figuring out the right bridge. Simple beam bridge, elegant arch, massive suspension bridge. They study the landscape, the soil, the weather traffic patterns. Every detail matters. It has to be safe, strong, and last for decades. Next up, foundations. This is where things get serious. Bridges must support tons of weight, so builders dig deep, sometimes underwater. They pour huge concrete footings or drive steel piles down to solid rock. It's like giving the bridge sturdy legs. Once the foundation's set, we build the supports, called piers and columns. They're the spine, holding everything up. Depending on design, concrete, steel, stone. Each piece is carefully measured and reinforced, because mistakes here are disastrous. Now the deck, the surface you drive or walk on. Beam bridges, lay giant steel beams or concrete beams, then cover with slabs or panels. Arch bridges, assemble huge curved pieces, using temporary falsework until the arch stands. Suspension bridges, string massive steel cables between pylons, then hang the deck from those cables. It's a feat of engineering, and honestly, beautiful to watch. But we're not done. Crews add finishing touches, guardrails, lighting, expansion joints, and architectural details. They inspect every inch, test strength, and make sure it's up to code. Then it's ready for traffic. Next time you cross a bridge, appreciate the planning muscle and brain power that went into making it. From deep foundations to soaring spans, a testament to creativity and determination. Maybe you'll be inspired to build something awesome. Thanks for hanging out. Like and subscribe for more engineering stories. See you next time.